Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. And today's video is about some yoga poses that can help you to lose weight. Development of yoga has benefited many people in losing weight in a healthy way. Yoga for weight loss is a debatable topic. Many people believe that yoga alone does not promote weight loss. Yoga, when combined with healthy eating, has proven beneficial as it helps to lose weight along with keeping your mind and body healthy. Yoga increases your mindfulness and how you relate to your body. You will start seeking out to food that is healthy instead of binging on food that can increase your fat accumulation. 2016 studies suggest that yoga can be an effective tool in promoting weight loss by reducing stress eating, suppressing hunger cravings, and increasing awareness on mindful eating and improving the ability to deal with negative emotions. So people who have practiced yoga, weight loss, found it easy to lose weight and sustain the numbers in the long run compared to their previous attempts. So let us try and understand certain questions that people have related to yoga, like how long does it take to reduce weight by practicing yoga? Most people who practice yoga regularly can notice a visible difference in their weight within 2 weeks. However, these results vary from person to person depending on the number of factors like BMI, age, diet, lifestyle, gender, medical conditions, the kind of yoga and the amount of time performed. Also, you must not to aim just to lose weight overnight because it is a gradual process. It takes time to get long-term results. The next question is how much weight can be reduced by doing yoga? According to a study done by Harvard Medical School, a 30-minute yoga of a simple form can reduce 125 pounds or 120 calories to 180 calories respectively. So as you guys can see that a huge number of calories can be burnt if you practice yoga on a regular basis for minimum of 15 to 30 minutes. Since we have got answers to most of the common questions, now let's get into our first pose, that is Veerbhadra Asana, or called as warrior pose. This pose strengthens your arms, shoulders, thighs and back muscles. This pose is named after Veerbhadra, that is a fierce warrior, an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Warrior Veerbhadra, as all stories from Upanishads, has a moral that adds value to our life. This pose helps to remove fat from belly while allowing the lungs and chest to stretch. By stretching outward, it can cause a contraction of abs that leads to a flat belly. The asana also corrects your posture, tones your butt muscles, and offers a good body balance. If you have knee pain or arthritis, use some support at the knee to hold this yoga posture. Hold this position and take 5 to 10 deep breaths. Switch the legs and repeat the steps for the other side. For this posture, stand as much as wide you can. Then turn one of your feet towards the left and then bend one of your knees. Bend how much as you can and focus on your breathing. When you're bending down, inhale and then stretch your other feet as much as you can. Then you can extend your arms as shown in the video and focus on your breaths. Hold on this position for 4 to 5 breaths and then you may come back to the normal posture. The second pose for weight loss is Dhanurasana or bow pose. You must have seen this pose in many of my previous videos, and yeah, it is important in weight loss as well. The name Dhanurasana is derived from Sanskrit word Dhanur, which means a bow. This is the best yoga asana for losing weight and toning body. By stretching the upper and lower body simultaneously, this pose can strengthen the abdominal area and help you cut down the unwanted fat around your belly. It improves digestion and relieves you from constipation. Dhanurasana gives maximum stretch on the abdomen and abdominal sides Regular practice of this asana helps to shed and burn fat. It also provides an overall toned shape to the entire body. People who suffer from heart problems should avoid it. Patients with high blood pressure should skip it. A person suffering from hernia, peptic ulcer, colitis, and other abdominal ailments should not do this asana. Don't practice bow pose just after meal. Make sure that you keep a gap of at least 3 hours. It is recommended not to do Dhanurasana immediately before going to bed at night as this asana stimulates the adrenal glands and the sympathetic nervous center in the navel, which may lead to sleep problems.
Lie flat facing the ground. Then bring your legs forward and hold them with your hands as shown in the video. Once you hold your legs, then slowly inhale and lift up your body from both the sides, that is from the anterior and the posterior side, and keep on inhaling and exhaling. Focus on your breaths and hold this for 4 to 5 breaths and then relax.
You can also try the third pose, that is the camel pose or Ustrasana for weight loss. In the camel pose, the thighs, trunk and head resemble the neck of a camel. Therefore, the name has been suggested as a camel pose. It is associated with so many health benefits as the asana gives a wonderful stretch to the thighs, abdomen, thoracic region, rib cage and throat, thereby beneficial in smooth functioning of lungs, heart and other important parts of the body. If one practices this yoga technically and regularly, then the person can observe weight loss in a very less period of time or fat burning within a week. Thus, regular practicing this asana for a certain period of time also ensure weight loss. This not only reduces abdominal fats, yet plays an important role in the proper functioning of abdominal organs. This is one of the easiest yoga asana for weight loss, helps in strengthening the abdominal muscles. It helps in opening up your pectoral muscles and also toning the front area of your body. The backward stretching helps in toning the thigh muscles and reducing fat from the abdominal area. It can make your body flexible and give you a great shape. People suffering from injury of neck, knee and back should avoid this pose. People with lower back pain should also avoid this pose. People with high or low blood pressure, migraine or insomnia should not perform this pose.
If you're a beginner for camel pose, for that you should do some warm up. Stand on your knees, keep your hands on your hips and bend forward and backwards for 4 to 5 times. Inhale while you move backward and exhale while you move forward. And then to reach the final position, keep your hands on your heels and while you're bending backwards, inhale deeply. Inhale and exhale for some time for almost 5 to 10 breaths and focus on your breathing. Stay in this position for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and come back to the normal position, and then you may relax in child posture.
Guys, these were some of the poses that I personally recommend you to practice if you are suffering from weight related issues. Just give them a try and make sure that you practice them for 15 to 20 minutes every day without fail, and you're going to get amazing results. So just give them a try. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm there on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.